Uh-oh, there is a hole in my car. Something's missing there. Wonder what? Oh, maybe the transmission? Yeah, but something else is missing. The clutch. I wonder where is it? Oh, here it is. But what's wrong with it? But why is it out? Oh, there's some cracks here. How come? Uh-oh, this is broken. I wonder how was it staying there? Most of it was gone. Yeah, this morning I was sitting in traffic and suddenly the clutch started slipping. The car didn't want to start, didn't want to go. The RPMs were going high, but the car wasn't going anywhere. So you see, even here, this pressure plate is totally gone. When you put the clutch inside, you see it's the same level here. When I removed the bolts that were holding the plate to the flywheel, the plate didn't even move out, because you see it is the same level as the clutch here. Anyways, so now we obviously need new plate and new clutch disc, and yeah, so unfortunately she is disabled for a couple of days until we get new clutch and plate. I took out the plate and the clutch from the other engine, from the 1147, but the disc is gone too. The plate looks okay, still has some pressure here, but the clutch is already gone. You see the rivets are showing through the whatever that's called. So unfortunately she is disabled for a couple of days. I don't know how soon can we get a clutch, but anyways, so how we're gonna go home? Ta-da! TR4 to the rescue. It's a good idea to take her on a little drive again. I drove her the other day, maybe a week ago. I took her once home, so just so I can test drive her, and you know, I rebuilt the overdrive, so I wanted to make sure that everything is okay with it, and of course everything was okay with it, so I'm really happy. Now it looks like I'm gonna take her home again. Yeah, one more test drive is not gonna be bad for her. Actually, here I have a problem. Last time when I was driving her, there was a lot of squealing on the brakes, and Jake says that that's a problem forever. And he tried different sprays and different pads and stuff like that, like everybody. Whoever told him something, he tried everything, and the brakes are still squealing. So if somebody has some trick or tip for that, I'm gonna be really thankful if you tell me how to fix that problem. Anyways, it's a short video. I just wanted to show you what I'm at. I didn't film that because changing a clutch, that's not interesting. But yeah, I'll show you an update when she's ready and back on the road again. Alright, who's coming on a ride with me? Oops, there's no cup holders in these cars, you know. So just set the voice recording again. Okay, so now you should hear me better. I don't know if you see me, but I'm not important here. The important part is the driving, right? So seatbelts, put your seatbelts on because this car is fast. Ready? Okay. Let's go. Lights on. What happened to my coffee? Who's there? cool, huh? We are cooler. Whoa. Overdrive? Yay. Third. Oops. Okay. So it works on third. I know that it works because I tested it before. It's the perfect weather for driving now. It's not hot anymore because it was really hot outside today, but now it's cooled down a little, so it is perfect for driving now. Hate sun visors. They don't help too much, but they're on the way all the time. Oops, what did I do? Here, this car, when you turn, when you put third, if you have your fingers like that, you always end up with a mark on your finger from here, from this knob. Not sure if you see what I'm showing you, but I hope you do. Yeah, compared to my little 1300 engine, oh my god, this is like Formula One. It's flying. Yeah, I really love that. I really love this type of engine, the TR2, TR3, TR4, and 4A. I don't know if you remember, but this is the engine that I reviewed. This is the overdrive that I reviewed, so I didn't restore this car, but I did a lot after it was restored, you know. So my poor little Spit is in the pit. Spit in the pit. Come on, drive. I want to test my overdrive on Ford. So let's see now. Yes. I know it idles a little bit too high, but that's because the generator is not charging too much when the idle is at about 800-900 RPM. And I'm afraid that in traffic, sometimes even when, because the car has also auxiliary fan like mine, and sometimes when the lights are on, when the auxiliary fan is on, and you're sitting in traffic and the car is idling for a long time, and the battery doesn't charge, so I'm worried about that. So I set it up to idle at about 1300-1400 RPM, but that's fine. Now at least it charges properly. That's why I'm saying that. That's why I don't like generators. If I have this car, I would put alternator there. I don't care how original it is. Fast and the Furious. So now we are in third with overdrive, and now I'll put fourth without overdrive. No difference. You see? Third without overdrive, third with overdrive, fourth without overdrive. It's exactly the same thing. So I don't really know why you need overdrive on third. On fourth I agree, but on third it doesn't really matter. Alright guys, I just heard the camera beeping, which means that she's gonna turn off soon. The battery is low, so we're not gonna make it home. But anyways, thanks for watching guys, thanks for commenting and subscribing, and thanks for joining me for this unexpected ride.